guys, welcome back to a DayZ. This is a DayZ tutorial. Today we will be showing you how to add custom items or items like item mods to your DayZ server. So you wanna go to your library, click workshops. Type in what item you want to add. I'm using this many item overhaul. Once you do that, you want to click on it, favorite it, subscribe. After you did that, head over to PingPerfect. Now, I'm not gonna want to show my ID. I had that issue just within the second video, without me trying to show it, but whenever I'm loading something, it actually goes up to that screen. So I'm gonna try my best to not click on anything. So I'm gonna pause the video here. And once you did that, click install. Just in case if there's an issue with the thing and it's not updated, you wanna make sure that it's updated currently this year. If it doesn't say a date, that means it's this year. Now, if it's from last year, it's bad. If it's like any month of this year, old, it will still work. It's only if it's from last year, it won't work. But if you already have it, you're fine. You wanna subscribe. Now it shows different because I'm on the website. You wanna click favorite. Subscribe. Once you do that, go to PingPerfect. After you have it installed, you want to go click over to File Manager. Once you click on File Manager, since I'm using Bitterroot, and some people that everything that you do make your own server on DayZ, it's always going to be Charnmplus. So you want to go to Mpmissions. Once you clicked on Mpmissions, go to DayZ. If you're using another map, which I'm using, like I'm using the Bitterroot, which is Montana. If you're using a different map, still click on it. And after you click on it, you want to click on configure item presets first. Well, I'm doing this a little backwards, so you want to go to once you have the thing installed, the thing that you installed should be on the side. Once you click on it, you want to click on XMLs first. After you clicked on XMLs, you want to go to this. Now, it shouldn't say this, technically. It's still fine if it does or not. Once you click on that, you want to copy and paste this whole thing. Now, before you do any of this stuff, I should have said it, I'll have a captions in the video. You need to stop your server. Stop the server. Because if you do not, you may have some issues. Because I did that one time and it took a while. So don't click on it. Don't click on any of that. No. Because or else you might have some issues. Oh, that's great. You want to copy and paste the whole thing. I'm not going to scroll down or do anything because if I show my ID, I'm going to have to restart the video. So I'm not going to do that. You have to copy and paste all the way down, like everything all the way down. If you want to do it separately, you don't have to do that. But make sure it's ended at the type on the bottom. If you don't have it there, you may have some issues. Once you copy and paste you want to click on Mpmissions. Now, because I'm using Bitterroot, and this is a tutorial, it's going to basically be the same, but I'm just using a different map. You want to click on the map that you're using. Now go to the spawnable types. Not spawnable types. No, don't click on that. Go click on presets. you want to scroll all the way down, down. Now, since I didn't add it on the bit even if you do a different server, it will still be there, by the way. Even if you didn't even put it on your new map, because it's kind of a new glitch into this patch. But I would just in case if it's doing something weird, I would still add it into your new map. After you did that, you want to click on the save button up there. I'm not going to show it because I could possibly show my server ID for that. After you configure that, you want to, I'm not going to show it because it actually has the IP on it. You want to go, I should say, selection mod or something with like a gear symbol, I believe. No, with something has to do with like, oh wait, you can't see that closely, I know. You want to go to the command line, actually. I was wrong. Don't go to the gear thing where it says mod manager. You want to actually click to the command line. You want to put a preference that's easy. You want to go to you want to click on the selection actually first. The selected box on the very bottom. Once you do that, go to the mod selection, not the server mod, because it might not work. It will not work. You want to go to the mod section. You want to put a colon with it. This is the 2 dots. You don't want to click the shift button. You just need the regular one. Then you want to hit the add button, copy and paste the name, that item you got, through the configure thing. You can't type it because it might not work. And once you do that, you want to start up your server, and then it should, once you go to the DayZ launcher, you should see this. You should see it not a check mark. You want to click on the check mark. Once you did that, you want to go to your server. Then it should start loading up the mod. And I think that's all. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Watch your video. Signing off. Subscribe.